Rain pounded the streets like a relentless drumbeat, and the cold seeped through the cracks of the city, drenching everything it touched. Michael tightened his coat, glancing at his wristwatch. The interview that could change his life, and secure a stable future for his 7-year-old daughter, Emma, was in less than 20 minutes. He had rehearsed every word, memorized every detail, and yet, as he stepped onto the slick sidewalk, fate threw an unexpected obstacle in his path. A woman stumbled in the rain, soaked to the bone, shivering violently, her umbrella useless against the downpour. Without thinking, Michael abandoned his briefcase on a nearby bench and ran to her aid, wrapping his coat around her trembling shoulders. She was heavy with sorrow, not just with rain, and something in her eyes froze him in place, forcing him to focus only on her. The interview, the opportunity, it all slipped from his mind. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and the power of helping strangers, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe to Ripple of Kindness. Michael guided her to a nearby coffee shop, the warmth inside a stark contrast to the storm outside. She accepted the offered chair silently, clutching the coat around her as if it were a lifeline. He sat opposite her, trying to understand her distress without prying. The world outside seemed to fade, leaving only the two of them amid the aroma of brewing coffee and the hum of conversations. Michael's mind raced. He had sacrificed the interview for this unknown woman. His heart told him he had done the right thing, but fear gnawed at him. The job could secure rent, school fees, and the little comforts Emma deserved, yet he couldn't abandon someone who clearly needed help more than he needed career advancement. The woman's voice trembled as she spoke, fragments of her story slipping out between shivers and sighs. She had lost everything in a single, cruel twist of fate, her job, her apartment, her confidence. Michael listened, offering small gestures of comfort, a cup of hot coffee, a warm towel, a hand to steady her trembling. With each passing minute, he realized that her pain mirrored the struggles he himself had endured, loss, fear, and the constant burden of responsibility as a single parent. Her story resonated with him in a way that left him raw and vulnerable. He shared a few words of his own, the sleepless nights, the sacrifices, the quiet pride of providing for Emma. The conversation, though brief, became a lifeline for them both, a shared acknowledgement of human fragility and resilience. Hours seemed to slip by unnoticed, the rain outside eventually slowing to a gentle drizzle. Michael finally noticed the time and felt the weight of reality pressing down. He had missed the interview. The panic surged, a cold wave of regret mixed with anxiety, but it was quickly replaced by a strange sense of peace. The woman smiled, a small, genuine curve of her lips, and thanked him. In that instant, Michael realized that the world had not ended because he had chosen kindness over opportunity. In fact, perhaps this act would ripple further than he could ever imagine. It was only after she left that he recognized her face from the city's news, a well-known philanthropist and CEO, someone whose foundation helped countless families in need, including shelters, schools, and hospitals. Michael's heart skipped a beat. He had unknowingly assisted a woman whose influence could have been life-changing for him, and yet, he had acted without thought of reward. The irony struck him. By doing the right thing, he had bypassed fame, success, and recognition, only to touch a life that was larger than he could comprehend. Days later, a letter arrived at his modest apartment. The CEO had personally written, expressing gratitude for his selfless act, and inviting him to meet with her to discuss a position in her foundation. She wanted someone with his integrity, someone who would put human compassion above personal gain, a rare quality in a city obsessed with success. Michael's hands trembled as he read the words, tears blurring the ink. Emma peeked from behind the couch, her eyes wide with curiosity. He hugged her tightly, whispering that sometimes, doing the right thing brought its own miracles, and that the world often noticed even the quietest acts of courage. Michael's life slowly transformed. The job provided stability, yes, but more importantly, it reaffirmed a truth he had always known, that kindness and selflessness were never wasted. The woman he had helped became a mentor, a friend, and a reminder that genuine human connection transcends titles, wealth, and status. And in the quiet moments, when he watched Emma play or study, he understood the profound lesson of that rainy day, that the heart's impulse to help, even in the smallest, most inconvenient moments, could shape destinies in ways we cannot foresee. As you watch this story, remember that kindness has a ripple effect. Every action, every decision to help, matters. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Ripple of Kindness to keep the movement alive. Share your thoughts, your stories, and your experiences in the comments below. Your words may inspire someone else today. In the end, Michael realized that life's storms, whether literal or metaphorical, are sometimes invitations to act with courage, to prioritize humanity over convenience. The rain had soaked him, chilled him, and diverted him from his path, but it had also led him to an extraordinary encounter that changed his life forever. And so, he walked forward, not just as a single dad fighting for his child, but as a man who understood that even the simplest gestures of care can leave lasting imprints on the hearts of strangers, and sometimes, on our own destiny as well.